Recently, I got one message from one of my friend and it was really disturbing. It says his father is fighting for his life and he needs money to save him. उसने कभी लाइफ में कभी ज़िंदगी में ऐसे सोचा नहीं होगा कि उसको ये रास्ता अपनाना पड़ेगा टू रेज दी फंड्स. Do you agree we are little weak in managing our risk? I'm talking about financial risk. So recently, IRDA published one data which says out of pocket expenses are 62% in India. In other developed countries, it's just 20 to 25%. 31% people takes loan to fulfill their medical liability and 47% people sells their asset to fulfill their medical liabilities. Not only that, another shocking data is 70% people spend their entire saving on health related issues post their retirement. So what type of risk one faces during life cycle? One is untimely death and secondly sudden expenses which comes in the way of medical emergency. So for untimely death one can buy a term plan which we will discuss in separate video about term plan and it's important, but for medical emergencies one can buy a health insurance. So what is health insurance? So health insurance helps you to recover your medical expenses in case of hospitalization. There are two ways to recover your expenditure. One is you pay from your pocket and get it reimbursed from insurer, and secondly you can get your treatment done in their network hospital list which will be completely cashless. You need not to pay any amount to the hospital. Still, why people don't buy a health insurance? There are many reasons why people don't buy or avoid buying health insurance. Few of them are like people thinks that it is an expenses and I may not need it. But friends, please understand that post COVID medical complications has increased even in younger age people. That's one. And secondly, if you're talking about prioritizing the expenses, recently big billion sale आया था Flipkart पे and most sellable product was iPhone 13 which cost between 50 to 70,000. So people gives importance to buying a smartphone but not the health insurance. Another reason is I'm covered from my employer so I may not need it now. Even if you are covered from your employer, one need to understand that till the time you are working for that particular company, you will be covered, not after that. It's quite possible that your another company or your next company will cover you after your probation period. Also, there is a trend in market that employer will pay your premium but they will ask you to buy a health insurance from the market. So in that case, if your somebody is diagnosed with any of the diseases, it's difficult to get a health insurance or you will have to pay a higher premium. And third is people also buys health insurance from bank. Those are really good products for a senior citizen or for older age people. But one needs to understand that it is a group insurance. Till the time your bank do have a tie-up with that particular health insurance company, you will be covered. But that tie can break any given day. So these are the certain results why people don't buy a health insurance. Let's try and understand with the help of this example. We have Mr. Samir who is 30 and staying with his wife and parents. So Samir ने 26 के एज में जॉब चालू किया था. He was drawing 6 lakh per annum and his annual expenditure including EMI and other expenditure was 4 lakh rupees, which means he was saving 2 lakh per annum. So last 5 years में he saved almost 10 lakh rupees. In year 2020, unfortunately, his father needed hospitalization. An entire hospitalization cost was 10 lakh rupees. Now Samir had ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, उसके कंपनी से उनको हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस था जिसका कवर था 3 लाख रुपीज़, बट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कॉस्ट वेंट अप टू 10 लाख रुपीज़. सो ही हैड टू शेल आउट हिज पोर्टफोलियो जो 10 लाख रुपीज़ का उनका हार्ड एंड सेविंग था लास्ट 5 ईयर का, विच केम डाउन टू जस्ट 3 लाख रुपीज़. So please understand, if you would have bought this health insurance when he started his working at the age of 26, तो उनका प्रीमियम आता था 25,000 का. So we understand that his annual saving would have gone down to 1,75,000 instead of 2 lakh rupees. But अभी उनका जो 10 lakh का पोर्टफोलियो था which was almost intact. So buying a right health insurance at right time is very, very important. So friends, if you have a health insurance, that's well and good. But if you do not have it, or if you are under cover, like just 2 lakh, 3 lakh ka cover hai, so please revisit your risk planning and get it done. You need at least 10 to 15 lakh ka health insurance if you are staying in a metro. Also, share this video with your friends and families who are not covered. दैट्स पॉइंट नंबर वन. पॉइंट कि एटलीस्ट मैं एक ऐसे बंदे को कवर करूँगा, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेने के लिए हेल्प करूँगा. यू कैन शेयर देयर कॉन्टैक्ट विथ अस, वी विल हेल्प, आवर टीम विल गेट इन टच विद देम एंड विल हेल्प देम टू गेट अ राइट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. And last point is, in last 7-8 years, health insurance as an industry has evolved a lot. तो अर्लियर जो 6-7 साल पहले 2 लाख 3 लाख का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के लिए आप 15-20 हज़ार रुपये स्पेंड करते थे, उसी प्रीमियम में यू मे गेट अ हायर कवर. सो revisit your health insurance plan. Now portability is also available if those plans are expensive. So please get in touch with us. We'll help you to buy a right health insurance plan, and also we will review your existing health insurance. So as I said, health insurance as an industry has evolved a lot. Earlier किसी का मेडिकल हिस्ट्री है तो उनको हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं मिलता था, या somebody is older 60 plus, health insurance option were very limited. But these days, even if you have a diabetes, even if you have undergone bypass surgery, even if you have undergone any other surgery, you are likely to get an health insurance at a very reasonable rate for your parents or for your other friends and relatives. So please get in touch with us if you are needed any such health insurance.